What's the most private AI? It's the one you run locally on your computer. Once you've downloaded a model, you can even turn off your internet, guaranteeing that no data leaves your machine. But there's a big trade off with local AI. Local AI models are not as powerful as the cloud based AI models you get in services like ChatGPT. So the real question is, can you run cloud based AI models without handing over your privacy? The answer to this question is yes, and that's what we're going to cover in this video. Let's get into it. Every cloud-based AI system works in basically the same way. Your message is sent to someone else's computer where the AI model processes it and the response is sent back. So AI privacy is all about what happens to your messages when they leave your machine. And there are four things that can affect this, and they form a ladder. The first rung on the ladder is a written policy. This is the weakest rung on the ladder because it's really the company's word and they can change that policy whenever they want. This is where systems like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini sit at their defaults. Most keep your chats for a while, some let staff review them, and most train on your chats as a default unless you turn that setting off. I have full videos on this linked to in the description section below. The next step up on the ladder is a contractual guarantee. This is a signed agreement with the AI model provider that they will not keep, review, or train on your data. This is the second rung up on the ladder because it has more legal teeth than a policy that can be changed at any time. And this is where most of the privacy-focused cloud-based AI providers sit. Proton's Lumo, Brave Leo, Kagi, and most of the models in Duck.ai. Generally better than the defaults, but their servers or an upstream providers can still read your message while the model works on it. It's still their word. And the third rung up on the ladder is privacy guaranteed by hardware via what's known as a trusted execution environment, or TEE for short. The model that you're interacting with runs in a sealed part of the computer's chip that the company operating that server can't look into, and you get a certificate showing you that this is the case. This is the most privacy you're going to get with a cloud-based AI service. Today, that means services like Venice in its TEE mode, Maple AI, and a couple of the models inside Duck.ai. Which services and models qualify changes often. So the current list lives in the written article linked below, which we re-verify every quarter. And the fourth and final rung up on the ladder is local AI. Local AI guarantees your privacy by physics. The AI model is running on your computer, so no data needs to leave it to be processed. And you can verify this by turning off your internet connection and continuing to use your AI system. If you're interested in local AI, our free course on local AI is linked to in the description section of this video. And before you go, there's one more option I think you should consider. The downside of privacy-focused AI systems is that they don't remember you. This means you miss out on the compounding benefit where the better an AI system gets to know you, the more helpful it becomes. That's where systems like BrainDrive.ai, the system my co-creator and I built for you, sit. They allow you to keep and build your context locally on your computer. When you want complete privacy, you can run local models in your BrainDrive via Ollama. But you also have the option to run cloud-based AI models while still keeping your full memory local and only sharing what the model needs to process your request. In other words, with BrainDrive, you can choose whichever rung on the privacy ladder works best for you instead of being stuck with only one. And finally, if you want to go even deeper on AI privacy, I've included a link to my free ultimate guide to AI privacy in the description section below. It's part of our free community over at community.braindrive.ai, where we discuss all things AI privacy and user-owned AI. I'll see you there.